For those that are looking for ways to get a trading script or a trading website, or if you'll be looking for ways to get a trading website for a client or for your project, I think this very script is what you need. So I'm just going to run through the front end, then the user back end. This is the front end. This is how your front end will look like. Then your user back end, this is your user dashboard. If a user creates an account, this is how the dashboard looks like. We have manage order, trade history, binary trade history, P2P center. You can manage your wallet as well, your deposit history, your affiliation, transaction, and the rest. So now if you scroll up here, you're going to see binary trade and you're going to see trade. Now if it is binary trade you want to go for, you see the option for binary trade here. Now I guess you understand what is binary trade. Is that okay? Then if it is main trade you want to go for, then you see your main trade here. Then you see how the markets look like and everything. So from here you can buy BTC, you can sell BTC. Is that okay? So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to run through how to install this very script in case you get this script from us. If you need this script, all you need to do, just go to the description, you see the WhatsApp number, they just give us a chat on WhatsApp and you get the script. So I'm just going to run through the installation process. If you want to install the script in case you purchase it, it's very easy. First thing you do, you upload your script. Like what I'm doing now, I'm uploading my script to my cPanel. Alright, so once you're done uploading, the next thing is for you to just extract the file. We don't need the zip file again here, so just make sure you extract it to your domain. If you are using a subdomain, extract it to your subdomain. If you are using a read domain, extract it to your read domain. If it is a folder, extract it to the folder. Alright, after extracting, just delete the zip file. We don't need the zip file. Then open the file, highlight it, and move it to your domain or your subdomain or your folder. Once you're done, come and delete this very file. So the next thing is for you to open your domain name on another browser or another tab and type /install. Alright, once you're here, just click on I agree and next step. Now you make sure that all the requirements here, they are checked. Is that okay? Then click on next step and you fill your database. So before then, we want to go back to our page and we're going to create a fresh database name. Alright, after creating your database, make sure you click on this all privilege. Make sure you check that all privilege, then make changes. Once you are done making changes, go back to installation and fill everything here. Just install. After you've installed, you see something like this with a valid license. Then just go to website and activate. Is that okay? Now in this kind of cases here, it means it's not recognizing your database password. So just come back to this place. First thing, you need to delete this install folder. Then come to your core folder, open your core folder, then scroll down to your .env, edit it. And what you want to do here, you want to concatenate your database password like this. Just concatenate it like this. Hit save, then come back to this place and run your script. Everything is going to appear well. So the error we're having is because we did not concatenate our database. So that is how you install the script for free. Is that okay? So you see we have the same thing as the original script. So let me just log into my admin dashboard so that you see how the admin dashboard look like. Right, this is the admin dashboard. Once you are here on the admin dashboard, it is very important you create your clone job. Just copy this link here, come to your cPanel, type clone, click on clone jobs here, then scroll down to command, click on part 5, scroll down to this command, drop the link here and click on add new clone job. So we are there, we've set our clone job. So you can just play around everywhere. If you want to place your order, if you want to manage P2P, then if you want to manage currency, cryptocurrency, you want to manage market, everything, then we have our deposits here. Whenever someone deposits you want to approve, then we have our withdrawal and the method and everything. is here. So if you want to set the setting of the site, just come to this place, system setting. From here you're going to say general setting, the name of your site, everything. So you just put everything here. Then we have the logo. If you want to change the logo, the system configuration here. So you just play with this. If you want email verification, you can just put it there. Then method, just click on this withdraw method. And if you want to add new withdrawal method, click on the new withdrawal method here. And that is it. So the script is awesome. Like I said, if you need this script, just hit the number below this description of this video and message us on WhatsApp and we'll get to the script. I hope you found value in this video. If you do, smash the subscribe button for latest video like this.